subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello and welcome back everyone to the mathematics class. Today we will see the polynomials. So first let us discuss what are the basics of polynomials that we will see first. So polynomials, as per the name, poly means many and nomials means terms. So let's see how the polynomials are formed. As you have seen algebraic expressions in previous classes. So if we have 3x plus 5, 9x square plus 2x plus 1, this kind of all the expressions are polynomials. Now how polynomials are formed, that we will see. So basically polynomials are divided in few categories like regarding terms, number of terms. If the polynomial has only one term, that is called monomial. For example, having two terms, then binomial. If it is having three terms, it is called trinomial. So these are the categories where the polynomials are classified regarding number of terms. Now classification of polynomials regarding degree. So what is degree? What is degree of polynomial? That we will see first. Degree of the polynomial, that means in any of the polynomial the highest power of variable is degree. For example, in this polynomial variable x we have, variable in the sense which keep on the changing the value of itself, they are the variables. We are taking x, y, z, m and so many. So here power is 4, power is 2 and 7. Here x variable is not there, but the power is 0. It is there with the power 0 because anything raised to 0 will be 1 only. So what is the highest power over here of variable x? Yes, that is 4. So degree is 4. Degree of this polynomial is 4. So in this way, regarding the degree, again the classification of polynomial is there. So if the degree is 1, then this kind of polynomials are called linear polynomials. For example, similarly, polynomials with degree 2. So this kind of polynomials are called quadratic polynomials. For example, this time let us take y. So here degree of y, highest power is 2. That's why this is quadratic. Same way, if the degree is 3, these polynomials are called cubic polynomials. For example, here 1, that means m raised to 0. So m cube and m raised to 0. Highest one is 3. That's why these are the cubic polynomials. So these are the classifications of polynomials regarding, we have seen degree also, and the other one we have seen monomial, that is monomial, binomial, trinomial, regarding the number of terms. Now the question is, can the degree be 0? Can the degree of polynomial be 0? Yes, it will be 0. When it will be 0? If we have 99, the number, numerical number, when we have the number, that time we can write 99 raised to 0. So here as it is 1, the constant number shows degree of the polynomial 0. So So this kind of polynomials are called zero polynomials. So that's it for the classification regarding the degree. Now we will see what are the zero of polynomials, how we are finding zero of the polynomials. I am taking one example, x minus 2 is equal to 0. Here we have this polynomial. Now we need to get the value of x, as we are solving the equations that earlier we have done, how to solve the equations and all. We were solving and then we were finding the value of the variable. So same way, if we have this, how we will solve? We'll take 2 over there. So the answer would be 2. X is equal to 2. So here this polynomial p of x is becoming 0 for the value of x is equal to 2. Therefore 2 is 0 of the polynomial. So from this we can come to know the definition of 0 of polynomial. What is 0 of the polynomial? When the value of the variable makes the polynomial 0, those values are the 0 of the polynomial. So for linear polynomial you will get 1 0, for quadratic you will get 2 zeros, and similarly for cubic you will get 3 zeros. Now further we'll study about the polynomials later.